My name is Carolyn, and I lost 75 pounds, and I've been on maintenance for 2.5 years. Maintenance is very important. If you don't hold yourself accountable, that weight will come on because nobody's watching. You know, when nobody's watching the children play, things happen that shouldn't be happening. So it's the same thing with your weight loss. If you are not maintaining it and nurturing it and keeping an eye on it, then it gets away from you. So we've had our challenges. I'm not saying 2.5 years I've been at my fighting weight for 2.5 years. I've gone up 2 pounds and down 2 pounds and up 3 pounds and down, but I'm still in the same ballpark. I haven't left. I'm still there and I'm still playing. The key to weight loss is it's a journey. It is not a destination. I will never be at my destination. And so I chuckle because right now, with maintenance, I think I am a member of Metabolic all the way out to the end of 2000. I think I'm into 2019, and that's just fine with me because it's very important to me. And I know to stay this weight, I need to keep coming. I need to be here. I need to be active in my health. When you're on maintenance, you have to remember that you're celebrating yourself. Every time I go into metabolic and I weigh in and I talk about how my week was, and it helps me. It helps me not only with my weight loss maintenance, it helps me with my lifelong journey. You know, when I'm stressed, my weight goes up. And so it's a nice little barometer for me to know what's going on. And just meeting one-on-one with a weight loss coach helps me to understand me more.